Today we're diving into an exciting biotech company specializing in cell therapies, particularly for hematopoietic stem cell transplants, HSCT, called Jasper Therapeutics, ticker symbol JSPR. From groundbreaking stem cell transplants to cutting-edge gene therapy research, Jasper is making big claims. But can they deliver? What is their main innovation? And why does this stock have the potential to return over 600%? Hey everyone, welcome back to 15M Finance. I'm John, and before I continue, if you find this information useful and I have earned it, then please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, as this will help me out immensely. You all play a huge role in this channel, and without your help, my videos would not exist. Also, remember that this is not financial advice, and this video is for educational purposes. Now let's get into it. Let's look at what Jasper Therapeutics actually does. Jasper Therapeutics is a biotech company specializing in cell therapies, particularly for hematopoietic stem cell transplants, HSCT. Their main innovation? Conditioning agents that help patients receive safer and more effective stem cell treatments. They are working on JSP191, a monoclonal antibody designed to replace chemotherapy and radiation for transplant patients. In addition to that, they are researching non-toxic conditioning regimens to improve transplant outcomes. Another revolutionary project that they are working on is finding cures for autoimmune diseases. In theory, Jasper's innovations could revolutionize how we treat blood cancers and genetic diseases. But let's talk about the challenges. The biotech space is brutal and often incurs huge R&D costs, long regulatory approvals, and high failure rates. And Jasper is no exception. JSP191 is still in clinical trials, meaning no guarantees it will ever reach full FDA approval. Competing treatments exist, and established players like Bluebird Bio and CRISPR Therapeutics are working on similar breakthroughs. Jasper has a high cash burn rate, and we don't know how long can they sustain operations before needing more funding. Biotech stocks are notoriously risky, with major price swings based on trial results and investor sentiment. Even if Jasper's treatments work, getting approval is a slow and expensive process. Safety concerns or any issues in trials can delay or even kill the project. Alright, let's dive into the numbers. According to TipRanks, Jasper Therapeutics has a strong buy rating from 6 top analysts. That means all 6 analysts covering JSPR are recommending a buy, with 0 hold or sell ratings. Now here's where it gets interesting. JSPR's 12-month price target is sitting at $64 on average. That's a 903% increase from the current price of around $635. The high-end target goes up to $80, while the lowest prediction still sits at $48. So, analysts are clearly bullish, but let's break down whether this optimism is justified. Looking at the current stock price, JSPR is trading at $635, down 5.22% on the day. If we zoom out, the stock has seen a major drop since early January, but recently hit a bounce point, with signs of recovery on the horizon. Let's take a deep dive into this Jasper Therapeutics JSPR chart and see where we might be headed. Looking at this setup, we've got some key levels to watch, so let's break it down. First off, we've established a lower level of support at $633. This is where the stock has historically found a floor, meaning if it dips around this range, we might see a potential bounce. On the flip side, our upper level target sits at $87, which is a massive upside from where we are today. But let's be realistic. Getting there is going to take some serious bullish momentum and catalysts like FDA approvals or major institutional backing. As you can see, the chart suggests a classic buy the dip opportunity right now. The stock is testing the lower level, and historically, this area has led to some solid rebounds. The EMA clouds also indicate we're near oversold territory, which could signal a potential reversal. We've seen similar moves before back in mid-2023. JSPR had a breakout after consolidating at lower levels. If history repeats itself, we could see another leg up from here. If we get a bounce, the first logical exit for short-term traders would be around $20 to $35. This is where previous resistance has formed, and it aligns with a potential 380% move from current levels. So, Not bad if you're looking for a safer play. Now, if you're holding long-term and aiming for a moonshot, we're looking at the $80 plus zone. This is where analysts have set price targets, and while it's possible, it's definitely a higher risk bet. The skull emoji on the chart here is a reminder that holding too long without locking in profits can be dangerous in a volatile stock like this. Biotech plays can be a roller coaster, so take profits when it makes sense. In my opinion, JSPR is in a high-risk, high-reward situation right now. If we hold above 633, we could see a reversal and a move toward that safe sell zone. But if it breaks below, things could get ugly fast. I do think that even beginners can play with this stock. However, I recommend just starting out with money you are willing to lose, and it will be a great stroke to your ego if you win. What are your thoughts on Jasper? Are you going to play or stay out? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching 15M Finance. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy investing.